1H15. Entrance looks pretty good. I mean, looks quite complex, Matthew. As long as Otto is level with you, kind of like on the C build, we should be all right here. And then the things I was looking for on the ones was making sure that Nadia wasn't rotating around Otto. That is a mistake that I make as well, Nadia. I know you did it on the previous session, but it looks like now you're bringing Otto more into the halfway picture. So we're trying to build that cat to here, rather than you ending up, Nadia, coming around Otto so much. And that means that the catch happens here rather than the front pair finishing over on this quadrant. And then it becomes a real reach for Matthew. Just check the back pair here as well. Goes a little far. Just trying to see, so Matthew should be here halfway through. Yeah, it just comes a little over the line. And the front pair do a really nice job of holding their center, but the back pair just slides a little bit too far out. Be careful at the beginning of the move, Matthew, that you don't, your desire to get going doesn't translate you too far over the line. Remember, we're trying to build that two-way cat between like a 180 of what you have now at the halfway point. Nice job on the front there. Yeah, and if you want, you can hold on to that grip a little longer, Matthew, kind of like Nadia and Otto would do in the start of the 16. You just hold on to that a little bit longer and it might stop you from firing too far over to that side of the tunnel. Good fix. Let's see a big flash. I think you would get away with that, but it's a little bit of a wild turn from Matthew. Matthew, you start thinking about the catch before you finish the turn, and I think that's what hurts you. But then, yeah, you'd probably bust that. Just doesn't show quite enough separation with your left hand, Matthew, on Otto. It's a tough dive for you, Matthew. You're really compressed in the center of the dive from the 15 into the 1. You kind of got stuff happening all around you. But yeah, that's something that we can definitely see on these ones where Matthew is overstepping, and then that this piece is now shifting off the line. Let's just run through again, guys, and think about the targets on the 1. So at this point, we should see like a 21 close. So if you hang on to that grip a fraction longer, Matthew, and bring that grip with you, then we can get the 21 target here, right through there. And then at the 180 point, which should be, it's slid this side of the line, it should be Otto, Matthew, there. So kind of where Otto is here, that's where I'm expecting Matthew and Yora to be at the halfway point. So we're really missing the targeting, and I think just holding on to that grip a fraction, Matthew, at the start of the block is going to give you a little reminder. So I'll make sure we see the 1s again, maybe with a few randoms, just so that you can tidy that up. Much better job of those later 15s, Matthew.